Samson just won his fight, and it was of biblical proportions, okay?
Yep.
Just tell me a bit about your fight. I didn't actually get to see it because it was so fast. How'd you win?
Look, it was a quick fight, but
Yep.
we both double pulled and I got a footlock.
Really?
Quickish, yeah.
Okay, so really quickly, 2 years from now, where do you see yourself?
World champion.
World champion?
Yep.
Wow, that's really big goals. This is your first time on Grapple Mania?
Yep.
Okay, who do you want to call out next time? Who would you like to fight?
Anyone. Really.
Anyone?
Anyone.
No, you gotta give me something more like, who's your dream person to fight in the world?
Look, I'm 1-1 with this guy called Liam Magno lives in Melbourne.
Yep.
But like we fought, I subbed him once, he beat me once by points, and I reckon we'll have a good scrap.
If you're watching Liam Magno, Samson wants you.